opportunity. He sees everything you ever wanted. One moment. Did you capture it? Just let it slip. Yo.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to be taking the line off of this reel, and I'm going to show you how to take the reel apart and how to clean it. Alright, okay, so the first thing we want to do is take the line off. Now we have the line off the reel. Alright guys, so we're going to start taking this reel apart. First step is going to be to take the handle off. I used a 10mm wrench and loosened this already. We're going to take this off here. That comes off. We're going to put this down in the order we took it off of. So leave out all the way to the left. Slide the handle off with all the goods on it. No reason to undo that. Put that to the side. And then there's this washer here in between the handle and the gear. Spin this off. Then there's a few different washers on here. They all are on the above the clicker. Want to make sure you keep them in the order they're at. So now we're going to need some napkins, and we've got Q-tips to clean the reel. We're going to wipe this off so we don't get grease all over us. Put that down. We're going to remove the tension knob. Put that down over here. I'm going to pop this little piece out. We'll clean that up before we put it back in. We're going to clean everything up before we put it back in, obviously. Let me grab one special thing. We're going to need plenty of paper towels. Most likely. So now what we want to do is we're going to take this, and on this reel you just turn this sideways here like that, and this pops off. Put that down, and then the spool here just comes right out. Do it this way. Comes out. I'm going to put that down. Okay, so now inside our reel we've got one screw here, we got a screw here, we've got a screw here and a screw here. We're going to unscrew all four of those and take the face. Alright, that's 4 screws, and now this pops straight up and out. Put that to the side. Now we can lift and take these out. We're going to pop the main gear out. If it wants to come out today. It's feeling a little sticky here. Okay, so we got that out. I'm going to take this piece out and this piece. Make sure we put them in order. So 1, 2, oh, all kinds of stuff going on down here. What's this action? Okay. Alright. Just goes here. I'll put all these in order that they're on coming apart. Like so. Like so. Okay. So we get down to the reel like so. We get a napkin in here, and I'm just going to wipe all this down. Do some scheduled maintenance to your gear, make it last longer. You know, if anything's making any noise, you can come in and clean it up a little bit, get some of that dirt and grime out. I'm going to get a Q-tip out, and we're just going to work around in here. Just going to work around in here and get any extra little bit out. It's going to be a lot of Q-tips, so don't be shy. That's cool. Alright, so then we got all this dirt in here. All this dirt. We're gonna get rid of all that. I'm gonna clean this up and we'll come back to putting it together. Alright guys, so I cleaned the whole reel, took it apart, cleaned it the best I could here, and now we're going to start to put it together. We're going to start with this one piece here that goes in the front and go from there. One piece at a time. I'm just saying, that already feels 100% better. It was feeling rough, not smooth. This feels great now. It was making noises and stuff. Gotta get all that gunk out, making all that noise. Nice and smooth, the way it was when I bought it. I want to get the max performance out of your gear. Sometimes after fishing a while, you gotta clean it. I cleaned them in over the winter time, but I've been fishing a lot, and so we're 7 months deep into the year, and it sounds like it's been feeling like it's time for a new clean job. So that's what we're doing today. Put this fourth screw in here, and we'll go from there. Oh yeah, much better. Okay. So from here, we're going to get this piece here. It's the first piece to go back on. We're going to get the Q-tips out. We're going to clean this. It's got some grease on it. I want to get that out of here. Okay guys, I didn't show you the entire process. It would have been a long video. So instead I showed you taking it apart and partial clean job. I've got it back together. I've hit it with a little bit of wrench oil. And now it's spinning beautifully here. Oh yeah. If you guys just take the time to clean your gear, it's going to be able to last longer. And it's going to work better for you. You don't want your gear to fail you on the water. That's my product tip of this week. Clean your gear, and it'll be working just like this. Nice and clean. But until next time, you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching.